amazing. This is as cold as it gets on a normal, I mean, would you call it normal winter? I don't know, -23. Would you say that's cold enough? But yeah, we woke up to this beautiful sunshine today, really cold temperatures. Van struggled starting up, our nostrils are sticking together, things are breaking because everything is so brittle in the cold. Sam came up with this idea. Well, it's been a while since we really wanted to take a train somewhere in Lithuania.
So yeah, I don't know why, I've just been obsessed with getting a train. They've got these double-decker trains in Lithuania that I find a bit, I don't know.
Intriguing.
Intriguing. I don't know if the one that we'll get is a double-decker, because I can imagine that the double-decker ones are like for long distances. This train journey is only half an hour, but yeah, really excited to finally go and get a train in Lithuania.
We have been there before in the summer, but we've not really seen it in this super mega cold weather. And Trakai is famous for this medieval castle that is set in this incredible, beautiful lake. So the castle sits right in the middle of it on an island. So you can in the summer take a boat around it, but obviously in the winter the lake freezes. So what you can do is just walk around it. God, the sun's beautiful. I feel like in the morning and the evening the sun is just gorgeous. This is so low.
Job. Feeling nostalgic.
We just picked up others. My brother.
My brother.
He's been on the channel before. And
In Trakai.
In Trakai. Oh, it's dark. Oh, it's when the sun changes. It's like I lose. And now it's burned, but here we go. Adasasif will be a star on our channel. He's always a star in our channel. Yay!
Nice. Start like sprinkling with, you know, sparkles. Yeah, sparkle.
Yeah.
It's very fun.
Ah, good memories of this petrol station.
What happened?
Your car fell apart.
Oh, my car fell apart. Oh yeah, that one.
Is this ours?
Yeah. You trakus? No? Trakai. Trakai. That's so cool. I've never been on a double decker. Whoa. It's like a double decker bus, but a double decker train.
Good enough? Wow, nice.
Wow. So fancy. I was like, oh, he's just faking it. Like he's just making a joke of himself.
So I don't know if you guys can relate, but growing up in the UK, every winter I would just pray for snow, and then the 1 or 2 days that we got like a tiny little flurry would be the most exciting days of the year. So here for me it's such like a special feeling to have so much snow, such coldness for so long, it not just disappear by the next day. For everyone else here I sound like a lunatic, especially strangers here on the train. I'm sure they think that I'm an absolute idiot for saying it, but yeah, I don't know, for me it's super special. And all of these houses just look like houses from the Grinch film, like perfect little houses with little snowy roofs. Yes, I like it.
We will soon be arriving at our final destination. Please take care to ensure you have all of your personal belongings. We hope that you enjoyed your trip with us, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.
Fancy a bottle of water? What? Fancy a bottle of water? Diyebiliyoruz. Sorry, where's the train station? Oh, so we've got to walk quite a way.
A bit.
Okay,
Not much.
let's go.
A bit, not much.
So I don't know how far we've got to walk, but I think it's quite a way to get to the castle. The train station is at like the other end of the village, so, or the other end of the town. But it's so gorgeous out here, just stunning.
Want me to go and test the waters?
No, Gabia. Gabia.
It's really thick.
When I was a child, I was always taught, you know, like I think most car.
We heard it move.
Did it crack?
Yeah, I heard the crack.
Well, as I was saying, when I was a child, I was always taught not to go on the ice. And they just went out on this ice and heard it crack, so...
It's so funny because we heard the crack and well, on the same time just whoop. No, we don't want that.
We don't want that indeed. For sure we don't want that. Okay, so it's cold outside. It's really, really cold outside. We just retreated to this cafe because the walk was a bit longer than we expected it to be. There's no one here, there's like no one in this town, so we were a bit nervous that there wouldn't be anywhere open, but thankfully we found this place. We're the only people here, but at least they're open. I bagged a seat right in front of the radiator, but Gabby's really cold. She's just gone to wash her toes in warm water to try and warm them up. But yeah, beautiful here, stunning. Hi friend, I've never seen a cat in a restaurant before. This is new. Gabby is now thawing out her feet on this red hot radiator. At least there's some warmth here, but yeah.
I feel like my thermal layers were not as good as everyone else's because I only got like socks and then tights, but they're like really like, you know, thin.
Well, actually, have some tea, have some soup, maybe some kibane. Are you having kibane?
Yeah, with the stock.
Yeah. I'm being really careful with what I eat recently because basically on Christmas Day or the day after Christmas Day ended up in hospital with a bad stomach, so being very careful what I'm eating. I won't have anything with meat for sure from somewhere like this, especially since there's no other customers, so I'm not sure how fresh the food is. But yeah, definitely have some soup and a cup of tea, I think.
There's just like a broth for two food. We're just having a broth. Do you want a broth?
You having broth?
Yeah.
Could have, yeah, maybe.
Or I can ask what's the soup of the day.
Gare, probably the same as every other day.
Yeah.
I've never seen a tea with a lid and then another layer with the loose tea inside. Oops, shit. And now we have the tea. Interesting.
She likes the radiator.
She has interesting jaw.
Yeah. Big chin. It's nice. She's got a view and she's got radiator.
Oh, cute cat.
We just ordered some broth and kibane. I think they translate in the menu like a cake with meat, but it's more like a pasty that you get in Cornwall or something. So it's just like a pastry filled with chicken and mushrooms. So it's like very classic, typical, something you would eat when you come to Trakai. So I'm very, very happy. It's so nice and warm. So we've just come out of the cafe. Toes are wiggling again. not so frozen, had a nice cup of tea and a kibbeney and a nice bowl of soup. So we're just gonna take a little walk around the Trakai Castle, which is a medieval castle built on Trakai Lake in the middle of the island. Do we know much history about Trakai?
Well, it's the second capital of Lithuania. First one was in Kernavė. This is the second one. And the greatest times were in the times of great Vytautas, our not the king, but kind of a duke. But yeah, and those days were very good for Lithuania. We have very big territory, had some good fights, and so on.
And it's quite popular with like concerts and weddings and lots of different events and things. So yeah, so it's now become sort of an attraction and a venue in Lithuania. So if you ever visit, it's definitely on the list. It's only like half an hour from the capital, super easy to get to with the train.